everyone. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I wanted to take a moment to review quiz and exam content information and expectations. As you perhaps already know, my goal is to promote a healthy and academically sound learning environment where course content and concepts are presented in a manner that is easy to learn. Now, I understand that there may be a lot of new and challenging information presented during this course. So I have created a simple method to assist you in getting the highest grade possible on your quizzes and exams. Your course content is divided into sections, followed by a quiz, and I have provided a study guide of areas where you need to pay close attention. Why? Because there will be quiz questions about that particular subject matter. I am going to give you a little hint, not a big hint, but a little hint here, okay? Most of your exam questions will come directly from my learning video lectures that I have provided for you, explaining in detail about a particular subsection or title. I encourage you guys to take notes while viewing my lectures. My exam format usually include multiple choice questions and also true and false questions. I tend to give more specifics about each exam on the study guide, okay? If a short essay is given, I need you to please pay special attention to the required length and answer each part of the question. Please be mindful that there are time constraints for each exam. I usually give 2 hours per quiz or exam, which is to be completed in one sitting, okay? But the average time of completion is about 45 minutes. The average time, students usually take to complete one of my exams is about 45 minutes. However, if you have an approved written documentation for extended time, you need to contact me, okay? And email me your documentation within the email itself. Again, I usually give about 2 hours, which is double the required time. But if you feel you need more time, just send me your written documentation. Well, I hope this information was helpful. Please contact me at any time should you have any questions, issues, or concerns. Again, not only is my goal to provide you with an academically sound learning environment, but also to assist you in earning the highest grade possible. All right? Okay, thank you, and I look forward to grading your A+ quality exams. Alrighty, bye-bye.